Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we are going to be cleaning this throttle body on the 2009 Smart for 2 model 451. This particular car has the fresh air intake installed that is the aftermarket one that just is a tube going from the air box to the throttle body. I've already removed that, so we are at the throttle body and you can see how dirty it is down in there. So to do this process, you're going to need to remove the air intake or whatever kind of intake it has to get it out of the way. And then you're going to need to make sure this hose is out of the way. This is for, I believe, the evap or for the air injection system, one or the other. Get this hose out of the way. I always like to just remove it and get it up here so it's just totally not in the way and you don't risk breaking off that little nipple on the little valve down there. Then we're going to go ahead and unplug this cord right here for the throttle body and get it tucked up out of the way somewhere. Then you're going to need to get your Torx wrench on an extension and take out these 4 Torx bolts around there. Now that you've got those 4 bolts removed, go ahead and pull out the throttle body. So here's the throttle body off, and this is looking at the intake, or the side that the air goes in. This is looking at the side that the air goes out. So we're going to go ahead and get some of this throttle body air intake cleaner and go ahead and clean that out. I always like to clean these particular ones over an area of gravel or something like that, and then always keep it with the electronic side up so that goo doesn't settle into the electronic side of it. So we'll go ahead and take it over here to the gravel and clean it up. Go ahead and spray this stuff in there and keep it up at this angle and use an old toothbrush to scrub it all out. As dirty as this one was, I pretty much used the entire small can of throttle body cleaner. You can see there how much cleaner it is and how you can actually see a gap around that butterfly now where you could barely see that gap before. The issue is when these get all clogged up with stuff, that butterfly cannot meter properly and it'll cause all sorts of check engine lights and rough running and various other things. So now we'll go ahead and dry this off as best we can and put it back in. Putting it back in is just the reverse of how it came out. Go ahead and set it back down there, line up all 4 bolts, make sure they're not cross-threaded, and tighten them down evenly. Now that it's all tightened back down, go ahead and plug in the cord back into it. Make sure it clicks. Go ahead and hook this hose back up where it belongs and put the air intake back together, or air filter and cold air intake back together. Then it says on the bottle that you should go ahead and start it right away. I'm presuming that's to clean out any residual cleaner that's left in the throttle body. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.